Hey there, it's Dave with FlipperForce House Flipping and Rehab Project Management Software. We just pushed up another new update to our Repair Estimator tool that you can use to create rehab estimates for your rehab projects. Our latest update added in new category duplication that will allow you to completely duplicate categories in your Repair Estimator. So you can see we've got the Repair Estimator pre-built with a bunch of different categories that come with our databases, our estimate starter templates that you can use to help you get started, but you can customize those categories as needed. Now I'm using the Rehab by Room template, which is organized by room. So you can see we've got different rooms built in here: master bathroom, bathroom 1, bathroom 2, bathroom 3. We got some bedrooms and living rooms, stuff like that. So where this category duplication is really going to come in handy is it's going to allow you to completely duplicate these bedrooms or rooms, bathrooms in the property. So you can see I've got bathroom 1 filled out. It's about $3,200 is what I've currently estimated for the repairs for this bathroom. It's got demolition in here. It's got a vanity cabinet, countertops, some tile finishes, some floor finishes, painting, plumbing, and electrical. So this is a pretty detailed list of things that need to happen in the bathroom. So this would take a while to replicate if you had to manually rebuild it. Well, we've added in category duplication, which will allow you to quickly and easily duplicate that entire category. So now you can see once we click that duplicate button there, it's going to duplicate that category. If we go down here, you'll see now we've got a new category added in here called copy of bathroom 1. So now we can just drag that back up here if we want to. Okay, so copy of bathroom 1, we're going to change that. We'll maybe call this the hall bathroom. Okay, so now in a matter of, 20 to 30 seconds, we've completely duplicated that category and that bathroom. So now we've got 2 bathrooms, they're completely itemized, and that allows you to basically recreate an entire category, recreate an entire room in a matter of seconds instead of needing to rebuild all of those categories manually and from scratch. So hope you like that new functionality. We are currently going through a big list of other miscellaneous enhancements to the entire platform, so be looking for those in the near future. If you have any questions or anything, let us know.